In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize widgets on Monday.com for a more tailored project management experience. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you'll first want to access your homepage. So, log into your Monday.com account to reach your main landing page. This page acts as the foundation for your project management tasks. Next, let's open the dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the dashboard link. This area serves as your control center, pulling data from various boards into one central location. It's where you can see an overview of your projects and tasks without having to flip through different boards. Once you're in the dashboard, it's time to navigate to the Widgets section. Here, you'll find widget components that provide snippets of information or specific functionality at a glance. These widgets help you visualize important data and keep everything you need in one place. Now that you know where the widgets are, it's time to edit one. Find the specific widget box you want to customize and simply click on it to open the editor. This will allow you to adjust the settings, update data, or modify the display to better align with your current project needs or workflow. For example, if you're managing a tight deadline or need to track resource allocation, customizing how this information is displayed can really make a difference. Once you've made the necessary changes, it's important to confirm them. To save your edits, just click the X in the corner of the widget editor to exit. The platform automatically confirms your changes and seamlessly takes you back to the main dashboard, making the transition smooth and intuitive. As you work through your dashboard, don't forget to refine your widgets further. You can repeat the editing process for other widgets as needed by clicking on them individually. This method allows you to continuously tailor which metrics, like deadlines, resource allocation, or task statuses, are most prominent for your team. Remember, the beauty of these widgets lies in their flexibility, so don't hesitate to adjust them according to the ever-evolving needs of your projects. By personalizing your dashboard with relevant widgets, you're ensuring that you and your team have quick access to critical information at a glance. This not only increases productivity, but also improves collaboration by keeping everyone aligned on project progress. In summarizing, customizing Monday.com widgets is an easy yet impactful way to enhance your project management experience. By accessing the homepage, opening the dashboard, locating your widgets, editing them to fit your needs, and confirming your changes, you establish a workspace that truly works for you and your team. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Monday.com widgets. Remember, a well-tailored dashboard can keep you informed and on track, making your project management efforts much more efficient. Don't forget to apply what you've learned, and happy organizing.